Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect segment to Shopify for clean e-commerce data, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin panel. Select apps from the menu on the left side. Click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type segment. Locate the segment app in the search results. Click on the segment app to view its details. Select the Add App button. Authorize the app to connect with your Shopify store. Once added, go back to the segment dashboard. Log into your segment account or create one if you haven't already. In the segment dashboard, click on Add Source. Choose the JavaScript option for your source type. Give your source a descriptive name, such as Shopify Store. Click Next to proceed. Once your source is created, you'll be provided with a right key. Keep this right key handy as it will be needed later. Return to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Online Store and then Themes. Locate the theme you are currently using and click on Actions. Select Edit Code. In the left sidebar, find the Layouts folder. Click on Theme.liquid to open it for editing. Paste the segment tracking snippet just before the closing /head tag. Make sure to include your right key from earlier in this snippet. Save your changes by clicking on the Save button at the top right. Next, go back to your segment dashboard. Select Add Destination. Search for and choose the destination you need, like Google Analytics. Click Add Destination to connect it. Follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection. Customize your destination settings based on your needs. Once finished, return to the segment dashboard to verify the connection. Test the integration by performing a test transaction on your Shopify store. Check your segment dashboard for incoming data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.